Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Abdurrahman dari kelas 10 TKJ 1 ingin membacakan tugas bahasa Inggris. The Garden of Forgotten Sits in the middle of a vast grey city where buildings are made of steel and glass, and the air always smells of smoke and exhaust fumes. Here lay a very strong place. It was garden, but not an ordinary one. Its name was the Garden of Things Gone By. Right in the center stood an only greenhouse, built of glass and iron, looking fragile as made. The towering sky rapids, the crowded it incident, the greenhouse left a gardener named Mara. She was not too young, yes, not too old. Her skin looked tough like tree bark, and her eyes were the color of war earth. Mara did not grow flowers, neither did she grow vegetables. Mara grew possibilities. On break afternoon, a late boy named Sam wandered into the garden. He had got inspired from his mother while walking through the vast street of hut. Looked away for just a moment and suddenly found himself standing before an iron gate. The gate cracked open slowly, as if inviting him inside. The moment he stepped in, the noise of the city vanished. It was quiet, save for the sound of the dripping water and the rustling of leaves. Sam walked along a stone path flanked by trees he had never seen before. Smooth hot leaves made of purple, with other head that humid soft. He found Mara cleaning beside a bed of soil. "Hello," Sam said sadly. Mara looked up and smiled. "Welcome, little explorer. Have you came to see these plants?" "What are you planting here?" Sam asked, looking at the strange pots lined up on the shelves. "I plan the doing that playing cost not to do," Mara answered gently. "I grow words live unspoken. Dreams too afraid to be chased, and pots chosen to remain unraveled." Some frowned. He didn't understand. "How can you plan things like that?" "Come," said Mara, standing up and brushing the dirt from her hands. She led Sam to a dim and quick section of the greenhouse. The plants here were small, weak, and looked wilted. Their leaves were pale yellow. "This what Mara is the tree of regret." She pointed to a small, glow my bus, seated on in grove from the wish of a father who wanted to tell his child that he loved him, but waited too long. He never said it, so it grew hair. This for the waiter of a town that never came. Some looked at the sad plan and felt awake his chest. That is very sad. It is a great Gemara, but look over here. She took some to the hot seat of the greenhouse. This place was bright, warm, and felt wet like the plants. Hair were large and full of color. They even glowed with a soft golden radish. And his own some asked with a yea, his yes with open. This is tree of that could be, said Mara proudly. Look at his, and it was planted by a girl who was afraid to say in public. But unless she took that break spec grow into this tudori tree, it flourishes because it is by crow. She touched a large beautiful flower, and this on planted by a boy who made a mistake. He caught house hit did it, but he caused to the road. Funes makes things grow very quick. Some took heart. He talked about school. He talked how scared he was of his math. This tomorrow he also thought about wanting to build a rocket ship with being afraid of breaking it. He looked at his own hands. Do I have shit too? He asked. Of course, Mara looked softly over everyone carries pockets full of them everything you think. I went to or a waste I called you are hold said. What happens if I throw them away? Then they will grow hair. She replied, but if you plant them in the real world, you're one left. When you want net this garden, you will become the garden yourself. Some stood in the midst of the magical greenhouse. Right then and there, right then and there, he made a decision. I will plant my seeds, he said firmly. I will study for the test, and I will build this rocket even if it breaks. Mara face on breaker. Then a nail in the room. That is best you can do. Just because team is like soil, it is fertile and ready. But if you want to learn, the seeds will dry out and I have to go. Some great turning to run. What Mara called out, some stupid and looked back. Remember, said Mara, pointing to Sam's head. This garden is beautiful. I bought the real world is where the truth harvest is together. Sam nodded, smiled, and ran out through the iron gate. The noise of the city returned, but if longer student frightening now. It sounded like an opportunity. He found his mother and took her hands. As they walked away, Sam looked back on last team. The greenhouse still stood there, a grand jewel in the middle of Gary Woods, and smelled her within it. The new seed had just been planted. As that fall grow into something strong and beautiful, for it was watered by courage. Sekian dari saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.